What would Andy say if I went back with this one? This one or this one? That's me in a Christmas ball. Bag larger than life. That moment where you go to the bus stop and it says 10 minutes until the next bus arrives, and you're like, forget, I'll walk until the next bus stop. I've started the project from my mom's mirror and I know I look like a potato, but we're gonna fix this in a little bit. I'm not gonna continue the vlog looking like this. First, I'm gonna make some food, drink my really nice tea, and then I'm gonna go do my makeup and we're gonna start on the project. I really hope she likes it. Some things I'm not really sure how to make because I'm gonna need to use a saw. Not a big saw that you cut, is it called trunks? Yeah, trunks of trees with. It's kind of like small, but still it's a saw and I've never used one. So hopefully I'll have all of my fingers by the end of the day. Very healthy, right? With butter on top. Now that's dedication. Yum. I just saw this. And I cried laughing. Oh my god. Look at the caption. He's so freaking cute. Let me go and do something really simple so I don't look like a potato face. And before I come back with like a full face of glitter. There's not time! I still need to edit the video that you guys watched yesterday. I still can't really sync with when the videos are going up. It's like I'm filming this right now, but you're seeing it tomorrow. So for me, that would be yesterday. It's so confusing. First world problems. Let's go and start taking measurements. I bought a piece of cardboard. It's actually like cotton, but it's really hard. So I took like a very large piece of that and I need a saw to cut it and then I need to paint it. So let's go and take the measurements right now because we have a lot of waiting to do, a lot of sorting out to do because my mom has a large collection of fake jewelry and she was like, you know what? Take it out, see what's old, see what's new and keep what's good, throw away what's gone like super bad. This is sort of the raw draft I came up with. I'm gonna hang little pins that I'm gonna bedazzle with some spray paint and some stickers that I found so she can hang her necklaces at the top. And then here I'm gonna make a DIY with the cardboard that I bought so she can put on her earrings no matter if they're short or long. Here we're gonna make little squares, kind of like, you know, honeycombs where she can put inside her bracelets. And right here is pretty much the normal setup for rings where you make it out of like velvet material and then you stick the rings in. And then the bottom part, I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I'm gonna see what I have jewelry wise and I'm gonna decide. But this is pretty much the main layout. I'm literally so sad right now, man. I got 2 acrylic paints to try and paint some stuff that I'm gonna put in the cupboard you just saw, and I bought a silver slash steel one and a jet black. And the black one, I think, because I had a trolley where I was putting all my stuff in, I think it kind of slipped through one of the cracks and I never ended up purchasing. So that means that I won't be able to get it ready for tonight. My dad will go and purchase the black one for me, thank God, because I really need to get it ready for tomorrow, because this vlog will go up tomorrow, so my mom will not see what I'm making at least. But I just wanted to get it all done in one day, but you guys are gonna have to wait to see it tomorrow. He's licking his paw all freaking day and night. Literally, while I'm trying to sleep, all I hear is him licking his paws. Look how he's looking at me. Let's get cutting because I've never touched a saw in my life ever, and I really hope I just make it work. Let me show you quickly what I got. I got a little basic glue gun. Got some glue sticks, some pens which I'm going to paint and bedazzle. These little pearl stickers which are for bedazzling, as I mentioned. A brush, because I didn't have one for my acrylic paint. And this is random for me. And this velvet, you can't really see it, but it's sort of like a velvet paper. I couldn't really find a velvet fabric, so I ended up going with paper, which should be okay anyway for like the grip. And this huge ass cardboard. I just found this fat piece of plastic in my pin box. Okay. Literally 3 hours later, this is most likely the hardest thing I had to do today. And it's only been the sketching part. I've only sketched where I want to cut, and I have to cut it, I have to paint it, I have to, oh my god, I have to hot glue it together, and I completely forgot. Let me show you though what I've got so far before I start sewing it up. So this is what I've got so far, and I've kind of written down sort of the different dimensions that I've got so I don't kind of put anything elsewhere by mistake. So this is everything that I actually need. Thank Jesus. It's ready. Now for the cutting part. I have no clue how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna split open this bag right there that this came in so I don't make any mess. And yeah, wish me luck because I like my fingers, okay? I don't want any of them to be chopped off. This is going to take ages. I will probably need to hoover after this because if my mom finds out I've been cutting this thing in her kitchen, this is going to kill me. You know what this reminds me of? Who remembers when Survivor first ever came out and they had to do like missions like this where they had to cut things up or like loosen up a rope or climb somewhere or cut some sort of tree or wood? I feel like I'm a survivor. Sewing! You say sewing, Lizzie! You sewing, Lizzie! Apparently what I'm trying to do is not working, so we're moving outside in the balcony. You know what? I'm gonna add some blush. Whoa, my mom had stolen my blush brush. Oh yes, now I look healthy. Wow. I like my choice of adding more blush. I look alive. Time to go pick my mom up. What are you guys' favorite shows on the TV? And I'm not talking series, I'm talking shows like, I don't know, Big Brother, Survivor, The Voice, Next Top Model, Project Runway, all that stuff. My two favorite ones will have to be Next Top Model and Project Runway. Hi! No. I was trying for a better version. I don't know how much this is a better version. Today has been a pretty hectic day. I wasn't able to film at all because I've been literally running around. Basically, I had a really terrible night and I couldn't sleep at all, and then I had to meet my friend in the morning, and then I never woke up, and then I had to literally run out the door, get ready. I didn't even have time to shower. I didn't have time to put on makeup. I was a full-on unshowered potato out and about in the world. Other than that, I basically went around to see my family. Then I had a thing, not being able to find a taxi because when it rains apparently in Greece, every road is full of traffic. I wasn't able to find a taxi, and then when I found a taxi, the taxi driver had 3 other people in there, and all the 3 other people were going into different places, and I had to argue about the price because the other people had already paid theirs, and then he was charging me even more than I should have paid. Just great stuff. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.